Hello guys, good day and welcome to Joso. So on this video I'll be showing you how to stake out a line, and we'll be making use of our Gnss T300 Plus receiver. Okay, so let's proceed to the exercise then. Now, in carrying out this exercise, we'll proceed to the survey page on the controller and click on stake line. So to stake out the line, we'll first of all create the line that we want to stake on the stake line page, then we'll click on add. Now we'll be making use of the point azimuth and distance method. Of course, you can also use the 2-point method, that's by inputting the coordinates of 2 points, the end and the starting point. So for this exercise, we'll be using the point azimuth and distance method, that is the coordinate of one point, the distance and the bearing to the other point. So we just input the start point, the coordinate of the start point as PT1. And click on OK. And the azimuth to the other points we have here is 304.244276762, and for the distance we have is 3.1496. Okay, so succeeded in creating the line. So in staking out the line, we'll just click on the line and click stake. So let's zoom in to the map canvas so we can see, have a clear view of the line we are staking out. So from the starting point we have, let's proceed. Okay, so from the indications we are getting from our controller, we are right here at the starting point. So we'll proceed to the second point, that's following the direction of the line. So this is the end point of that line, and from the indication we are getting from the controller, we are there. So that is how to carry out a line stake using the point azimuth and distance method. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys next time.